Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down international transfers to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the question on everyone's mind. How do I send money from Canada to the UK in 2025? With new regulations and tech advancements, it's more straightforward than ever, but let's get you up to speed step by step. First off, why send money internationally? Maybe you're supporting family, paying for studies, or handling business deals. In 2025, options have expanded with digital tools to cut costs and speed things up. The key players include services like Wise, Revolut, and traditional banks, but we'll focus on the most efficient ones. Step 1. Choose your method. Wise is a top pick because it offers low fees and real-time exchange rates, which are crucial with the Canadian dollar fluctuating against the British pound. For larger amounts, banks like RBC or TD might work, but expect higher fees, up to 2 to 5% plus conversion charges. If you're in a hurry, services like PayPal or Western Union can get funds there in minutes, though at a premium. Step 2. Gather your details. You'll need your recipient's full name, UK bank account info, and possibly SWIFT codes. In 2025, look out for enhanced security features, like biometric verification, to protect against fraud. Always compare exchange rates on sites like Z.com to avoid surprises. Now, let's talk costs. Fees can range from $5 to $50 depending on the service, and the exchange rate might add another layer. Aim for providers that use the mid-market rate. Pro tip: schedule transfers during off-peak times for better rates, and consider apps that allow you to lock in rates for up to 24 hours. Finally, once everything's set, confirm the transfer and track it online. Most services send notifications, so you'll know when it arrives. Remember, in 2025, regulations might require additional ID for amounts over $1,000 CAD, so stay compliant. There you have it. Sending money from Canada to the UK doesn't have to be a headache. Give it a try, and if you run into issues, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.